Join me as I dive into the world of Sqqq stocks and try to predict if there's an explosion waiting to happen. The Sqqq stock, or Proshares Ultrapro QQQ ETF, is designed to provide investors with a magnified inverse exposure to the daily performance of the Nasdaq 100 index. This ETF is often used as a tool for hedging or speculating on the potential downturn of tech-heavy stocks. Given the current market landscape, with its rapid fluctuations and the increasing dominance of tech stocks, it's no wonder that many investors are keeping a close eye on Sqqq. Investors face significant challenges when considering Sqqq, largely due to market volatility and economic uncertainties. Predicting market movements can be incredibly difficult, and the inverse nature of Sqqq means that a miscalculation can lead to substantial losses. Moreover, economic factors such as interest rate changes, inflation, and global events can drastically affect the performance of tech stocks and, by extension, Sqqq. The volatility of the market not only affects the tech sector but also investor sentiment, which can shift rapidly. This shift can either bolster or hinder the performance of Sqqq. For instance, during times of economic uncertainty or market downturns, investors might flock to safe haven assets or hedging tools like Sqqq, potentially driving up its price. On the other hand, periods of economic stability and bullish market trends can see Sqqq struggling to maintain its value. Furthermore, the complexity of market trends and investor behavior makes it even more challenging to predict Sqqq's performance. Technical analysis, market news, and overall economic indicators all play a role in influencing investor decisions. The challenge lies in accurately interpreting these signals to make informed investment choices. When diving into the factors that could lead to a potential explosion in Sqqq stock, it's essential to consider current market trends and investor sentiment. A significant downturn in the Nasdaq 100 index, perhaps triggered by a tech sector sell-off, could see Sqqq's value increase substantially. Investor sentiment also plays a crucial role. If a considerable number of investors start to speculate on a downturn or hedge their portfolios using Sqqq, this increased demand could drive the stock price up. Market trends indicate that the tech sector's volatility could be a catalyst for Sqqq's growth. Any signs of a market correction or a shift in investor sentiment towards safe haven assets could see Sqqq benefiting. Moreover, the ongoing economic uncertainties, including inflation concerns and potential interest rate hikes, contribute to the market's unpredictability and could further enhance Sqqq's appeal. The relationship between Sqqq and the Nasdaq 100 index is inherently inverse, making the performance of tech stocks a critical factor. A sharp decline in tech stocks could lead to a proportional increase in Sqqq's value, making it an attractive option for those looking to hedge their portfolios or speculate on market downturns. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for making informed investment decisions. For those considering Sqqq, staying abreast of market developments and economic indicators is key. A key insight regarding Sqqq's future performance is that its potential for growth is significantly tied to market volatility and investor behavior. If market conditions become increasingly unstable, we could see a surge in Sqqq's value as investors seek to hedge their portfolios. This makes keeping a close eye on market trends and economic forecasts essential for potential investors. The current economic climate, with its multitude of challenges, presents a complex landscape for investors. The ongoing shifts in market sentiment and the performance of tech stocks will be critical in determining Sqqq's trajectory. Investor behavior and market trends are likely to play pivotal roles in Sqqq's future performance. A move towards safer assets during times of uncertainty could boost Sqqq's appeal. Given these factors, potential investors should approach with caution and thoroughly research before making any decisions. To summarize, Sqqq's potential for growth is closely linked to market volatility and the performance of tech stocks. As investors navigate the complex current market landscape, staying informed and considering multiple perspectives is crucial. Join the conversation and share your thoughts on Sqqq. Do you think there's an explosion waiting to happen? Also, check out my previous video on effective investment strategies to ensure you're making the most informed decisions.